Flooding in Texas, United States of America. May the southwestern of Texas experienced heavy rain. Yesterday morning, causing severe flash flooding. The Weather Service issued flood warnings for several rivers and streams. County officially received more than 6 inches of rain Saturday afternoon. There have been reports of over 7 inches. Roads were closed Friday and Saturday afternoon and will likely remain that way for days. The sheriff's office also reported that a bridge was broken. Game and Parks Commission temporarily closed.